Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do not want to heat them back up in the microwave. The microwave will make the deep-fried pickle chips soggy. When you are trying to reheat the pickles, you have two choices. I prefer to can also broil the pickles in the oven for just a few minutes.
Take our lead.
Tips for the perfect pickles. Fried pickles are best when served immediately after being cooked. However, they can be refrigerated and reheated. You can reheat them and crisp them up in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven. For some extra spice, mix a pinch of cayenne pepper into the batter.
Take our lead.
The best way to keep fried foods crispy? Just place them on a cooling rack set over a baking sheet. If you're frying multiple batches, throw the whole setup into a low oven to keep everything warm as you keep frying and adding to the rack.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The flavor of the fried pickles is not that important, as any kind of flavor is equally delicious and tempting. The ideal combination is the normal or the garlic pickle. However, even the bread and butter pickles and baby gherkin pickles taste exquisite.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Aim for a low-temperature oven, no more than 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and check on your food once in a while until it's heated through. These are foods that reheat well in an oven or toaster oven. Fried or breaded foods. Fried foods have the best chance of re-crisping in the dry heat of an oven or toaster oven.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Some fried recipes should be eaten right after cooking, but air fryer pickles tend to keep their delicious flavor even a day or two later. Store extra pickles in the fridge, and reheat them in the air fryer, on 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius, for a few minutes prior to eating.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To keep fried foods crisp, drain as much oil as you can from the foods. Store fried foods in an airtight container on a paper towel to help soak up any excess oil. Do not put fried foods in the refrigerator before they are completely cooled, as the condensation will make the coating soggy.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Those pickles have been briefly cooked in a brine, and should be refrigerated after you open the jar. The salt and vinegar should keep them safe for a while, but they will likely go bad at room temperature before you finish eating the whole jar.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you are trying to keep batches of pancakes, waffles, fritters, or any deep-fried items warm, place them in a single layer on a cooling rack set over a baking sheet to prevent them from getting soggy or soft. You may also want to loosely cover with foil to prevent the outside from browning any further.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.